afternoon, everyone. Welcome to this video. You know me as the Transport Lovers, and welcome to this video. I'm your host, and welcome to this live stream, the first ever one on this YouTube channel. Well, it's been aired on Facebook first. But what I'm doing is that I'm going to the train station because I'm going to be catching a train, the overground, to Headstone Lane. Now, the reason I've got to go to Headstone Lane is because I'm going to meet up with my mum. But that is to be explained in another live stream. But that live stream will be unlisted. This one is public, because why not? And I'm going to be catching the train. I'm going to be catching the train. Ambulance. Ambulance car there. There's sirens on. Oh, it's a bus! Well, there's a bus, there's a H10 going to Norfolk Park Hospital via Harrow Leisure Centre and Kenton Library. Very nice. Electric bus. Today we're not catching a bus, we're catching the train today. Catching the train. Now, I'm just walking to the train station, which is this way. It has been raining, but oh well. Thank you. There you go. So in this live stream I'm going to Hamwellstone and then I'm going to Headstone Lane. It's really cold out here, but I'm doing really well. I'm coping really well with this live stream. Walking this way, just walking to the train station, which I can see further ahead. I can see it. Right, I'm gonna walk this way because I need to catch the train. Welcome to the first ever live stream on YouTube that I'm doing on this YouTube channel, Transport Lovers. It's the first one because reasons. If not, I'm going to catch the bus. Catch the bus if I can, but I'm going to catch the train. Catch the train. We're going to go under a bridge. We're going to go under a bridge. Look, there's a lovely bridge. Road bridge. Stupid van, why would it do that? I don't know, there's a mini car. It's a lovely bridge, this. This is a lovely bridge. Blimey, look at that twin tower. Made it across. Just now I've got to head to the overground. Got to catch the overground to Headstone Lane, so I'm going to do that. Toyota Prius and another one. Oh, for God's sakes. Another Toyota Prius? That's 3 I've seen. Just gotta walk this way to the trains. Thank you, bus. Just got to walk up to the road crossing. Oh, you try that loud. 1 in 6. Across now. Whoa! Bird just went flying past. Now I've got to do this. Go to the lift. I'm gonna go to the lift. I'm gonna go to the lift actually. Go to the lift.
The next train to arrive at platform 6 is the 1353 London North Western Railway service to Victoria.
Yeah, there's a lift going up. Up we go.
Over bridge.
Yep.
Stand clear. Doors open.
Thank you. This is the route I'm going to be taking back as well. Going to be going this way back. On the way back later. Just in a Bakerloo going to Elephant Castle, and we've got a Pendo. What one is it? Oh, it's just that one. Oh well. Heading to Headstone Lane now. But I've got to get the train. So the train should be an overground. A little sparkage on the Bakerloo there. So I've just got to walk this way. I've just got to walk downstairs. That would do. There's an overground. No, sorry. There's an underground in the siding. Now, I've just got to wait for the overground to arrive, which is the 7:10, I think. A 7:10 class 7:10 train. Speaking of a train, got a London North Western coming in on platform 6. This is London North Western going to London Euston. Here comes the fast train with platform 4. It's a Pendo. Comes the fast train through 3 as well. North Western. Now my overground train should be due here soon. Just waiting for the overground. Hamwellstone, famous for the rail crash, isn't it? Also famous for the beginning point over there. That there was the birthplace of my vlogs. To Watford Junction. Oh look, there's a Pendo. Fancy West Coast! And here comes my train. Comes my train. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Is it a 378? Oh, just... At least we'll get our first Southern train of the new year in the on camera, which is good. 377, for God's sake, is a full car.
The train now approaching platform 1 is the 1400 London Overground service to Watford Junction.
Yes, 710.
All stations to Watford Junction. Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
What one have we got? 710 261. Let me get on here. Right here.
Harrow and Wheelstone. This is the train to Watford Junction.
Just leaving
This is the
HAW.
train to Watford Junction.
Yep.
Next station, Edstone Lane.
Yep. Just left HAW. Aaron Wheelstone. Oh god, recently. Well, I'm glad I'm not on that then. Oh, also today is London Underground's
Next
160th
station,
birthday.
Edstone Lane.
Thank you. Today's London Underground's birthday.
Mind's the gap between the train and the platform.
Yeah. I'm doing this live stream because of the it's 10 years of my vlogs now this year, and to celebrate 10 years of doing YouTube videos as well. So that's another reason why I'm doing it. You're probably wondering in the comments. But here we are at the HL, Edstone Lane. Welcome to the HL. I like that. Here we are, Edstone Lane. And off we get. I'm going to stand here. Everyone's train's going. So 10261 leaves the underground service from London Euston to Watford Junction. That's it, not yet. And that's it. So thank you very much for watching this special vlog, this special live stream that I'm doing, celebrating 10 years of vlogging. Thank you very much for watching. Part 2 will be unlisted, but there'll be a part 2 public video later. So until then, thank you very much for watching. You know what to do, subscribe on the YouTube channel, that's the Transport Lovers. And you can follow me on Facebook as well. Probably have the face. If you're a Facebooker, you probably would have seen this first. If you're a YouTuber, you probably watched this second. But this is how you do this. Thank you. That looks like a banana. In fact, it isn't a banana, but there you go. Man and a van. I like that. Anyways, that's it from me. Thank you very much for watching. And there's only one thing left to do. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys next time on another live stream. And I'll see you then. Goodbye. Have a great afternoon. Bye. Peace.